In the Barrack Heights area, your garage door is essential for security and convenience. But what if it stops working correctly? Often, the issue lies with worn or broken cables. These crucial components bear the weight and tension necessary to lift and lower your door smoothly. When they fray or snap, your door may cease to function properly, posing a risk to safety and property. Don't let broken cables disrupt your day. For reliable, expert service in Barrack Heights, call us today at 0409-774-111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to restore the functionality and safety of your garage door quickly and efficiently.